Before we start the video, I wanna say happy birthday to Emma the Humanized. I hope you have a good birthday. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Okay Council, sorry for not attending for the last few months, I was sick. Anyways, today we will. I hate DJ, that was disrespectful.
What? I had to let it rip.
Next time, ask to step out the hallway.
You. It stinks in here. I got an idea. I'm going to ask to use the bathroom so that I can skip class. Ha 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 soy 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 rofil. Oh, Victoria, I need to piss so bad.
Okay, here's your bathroom pass. Now hurry up and go pee.
Let's go around the school. What's this? Pull fire alarm. Cool, I'm going to pull it. Let's open the case up. Now let's see what it can do. It's so loud.
Oh no. It's the fire alarm. This isn't the time for jokes. We've got to get out of here. Now. Wait. Where is Ellie-Mae? This isn't a joke. We've got to find Ellie-Mae. There you are. Hold up. Wait a minute. Did you pull the fire alarm? Why is the switch pulled down?
Oh, no, I found it this way.
Well, we ain't gonna stay here and burn to death. We've gotta get out of here now. Let's go. Ellie-Mae, are you sure the fire alarm wasn't your doing?
No, it's not me. I got out of the restroom and I saw it like that.
Okay then, we'll see.
I checked the whole council, there is no fire. However, I did find a switch that was pulled down by somebody.
Then I guess we gotta call the police to check out fingerprints.
Hello Nate. I got a report of someone pulling a fire alarm.
Yes, I'll lead you to it.
Is this the one?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is check the fingerprints, and I want all the councillees to line up so I can match the fingerprints together.
Okay, I'll do it.
Did he find out who did it?
No, he said to line up all the councillees in the hallway so that he can match the councillees' fingerprints.
Okay, I'm going to gather all councillees now.
You're first. Place your hand here. Okay. Whoa. Interesting. You're good. You can go back to council. Alrighty-o. Place your hand here. Do that again and they will assume you pulled the alarm. Alright. Damn! You're good. Go back to council. Can I go home early? Place your hand here. You're free to go. Place your hand here. I think I know who did it. I think it was. Don't tell me. I'll find out. Place your hand here. Okay. Go back to council now. Okay. Place your hand here. You can go. Have a seat here.
I need to use the bathroom.
I'll make it quick, I promise.
My carers are gonna pick me up, so gotta go.
Just sit down. Hang on a second, now you're acting suspicious. Did you pull the fire alarm?
Oh, no, it's not me. I came out of the bathroom and saw it like that.
Then place your hand here for evidence.
Shit, I'm done.
Come on. I don't have much time.
Oh, we don't need to do this.
Of course we do. Now, place your damn hand here. Right now.
Okay.
Oh my god, I knew it. I knew it. I knew you did this.
I'm sorry. Please don't call my cares.
Why the hell would you pull the fire alarm in the first place?
I didn't know how it worked.
You don't fucking know how a fucking fire alarm works? Whatever. You're going to the CEO's office.
I mean...
Can you stop doing that?
Ellie-Mae, I can't believe you pulled the damn fire alarm. You should know that it's only used for emergencies only. You can't just pull it whenever you want to. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Hey, Mr. Hernandez, why aren't you doing it?
I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm just gonna let Boris do it because he's better at punishing than me.
But you do realize Boris is Caillou's dad, right?
Roland's. I don't care. Just get him here. He's better than me.
Fine. Mr. Hernandez, I'll get Boris to do it.
To you. Grow the fuck up. Really? Why can't you grow the fuck up already and stop giving your carers a hard time? How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for life. For your punishment. I'm gonna lock you in the basement. Enjoy your eternal punishment. You freak.
Damn it. I'm trapped in here. Oh, I almost forgot I hid a secret food stash in my basement, so I have tons of snacks to last me a while. I will be out of here soon.